Always remove the battery first. On the other side of the saw is your included 5mm Allen wrench needed to change the blade. To prevent the blade from spinning while you're trying to remove it, you'll need to press down on the black blade lock button. With the blade lock button engaged, you'll use the Allen wrench to turn the screw clockwise to loosen it. Once the screw is removed, pull the washer off, and as a helpful reminder, it tells you clockwise is to loosen and counterclockwise is to tighten. Now pull the blade guard up and remove the old blade from the spindle. Okay, make sure that the new blade is put on correctly. The blade will cut and spin in this direction, which you can also see is printed on this blade, so always ensure that the teeth are facing the correct way. So we'll put the new blade onto the spindle. Take the outer washer and slide it back on with the beveled edge facing outwards and the flat side against the blade. Thread the screw on by turning it counterclockwise to tighten it. Then press down on the blade lock button and use the Allen wrench to finish firmly tightening the screw. And make sure you put the wrench back where it goes on the tool afterwards. Slide the battery back in and your saw is good to go. Please consider giving the video a like, and thanks for watching.